Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. If you're looking for weight loss recipes, then this is a perfect dish as it is filling and full of fiber rich and nutritious ingredients. You can have this for your breakfast, lunch or dinner, and you can prepare this under just 15 minutes. In this oats recipe series, here is the fourth recipe, Instant Oats Upma. Without wasting much time, let's see how we can prepare this upma. Into a pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. You can use oil as well. Once the ghee is hot, add half cup of instant oats. Also, 1/4 cup of masala oats. This is completely optional. If you don't have the masala oats, you can use the regular one itself. Then you will be taking 3/4 cup of regular oats. We have to roast this mixture for about 5 minutes on low medium flame. We have to roast this until the raw smell and the taste of the oats is gone completely. You can touch and see if the oats have become little crisp, then we can turn off the flame. Into another pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let this crack of its own. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds. 2 dry red chilies. Few curry leaves. One green chili and some roasted peanuts and cashews. Saute all of this for about 30 seconds. Then add 1 finely chopped onion. Saute this until the onions become soft. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Saute this again for 30 seconds. Now let's add the vegetables. Here I am taking some green peas. Finely chopped capsicum. French beans. And carrots. Also about half teaspoon of turmeric. Give everything a quick mix. To this add about 2 tablespoons of water. Then cover and cook it for about 2 minutes. Cook this on low medium flame. After 2 minutes, remove the lid and you can see the vegetables are cooked perfectly. Give everything a quick mix and now we can add the roasted oats to this. Now combine the oats to the vegetable mix gently. Everything is well combined. Add half cup of boiling water. Mix it very gently using a spatula. Then cover and cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. After 5 to 7 minutes, we can remove the lid and you can see this is absolutely ready. And finally, we can add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, some chopped coriander leaves, also a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Give it a final mix. This is absolutely ready to be served. Have it hot. Once it is cold, it might turn a little lumpy. All you can do is sprinkle some water on top and just microwave for another 1 minute. Hope you all enjoyed the recipe of Instant Oats Upma. If you all did, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe my channel for more such easy and healthy recipes, as I'll be posting more healthy instant, no sugar, low fat oats recipes in the upcoming days. Please check the description for previous oats recipes I posted. So till we meet next with another healthy instant oat recipe, stay healthy and be happy.